Hey everyone, in today's video, we'll look at the book EduCart NCERT Exemplar Problem Solutions Class 10th CBSE for the subject Science. Now, all the pictures used in this video are clicked by me and the photos bear the hard copy that I bought. Now, in today's video, we'll be carefully examining the book and we'll rate it in every aspect possible. Now, the first and the most important aspect, the price of the book. Now, if you get this book from a local shop, it will cost you around rupees 229 as printed on the book. But I got it online from Amazon at rupees 153. The link is in the description box below. If you want, you can check it out. So let's look at the physical properties of the book. Now, the first of all, we'll look at the page quality. Now, the page quality is not up to the mark. It's not excellent, but it's good. You have to handle the book pretty carefully. So I'll rate the page quality of the book a 4 on 5. Now, let's look at the binding quality of the book. Now, the binding quality of the book is excellent and the pages are not likely to come out after regular use. So I'll rate the binding quality a 5 on 5. Now let's look at the print quality. The print quality of the book is also very good and I'll rate the print quality 5.5 upon 5. As you can see in the image, it's very clear. Now overall build quality of the book is also excellent and I'll give it the overall physical properties, I'll give it a 4.5 on 5. Now let's look at the question criterias. Now the first is the amount of questions. Now as you can see in the image, approximately there are 60 to 80 questions for each chapter. So there are sufficient questions. Now let's look at the level of questions. Now the level of questions given in the book, it has good questions ranging from low to high level questions. As you can see in the book, there are also value based and real life based questions. So it is pretty attractive. Now, let's look at the features of the book. The book includes multiple choice questions, short answer type questions, long answer type questions, and some of the Diksha platform questions as it is recommended by NCERT. Now, those of you don't know, Diksha platform is an app created by CBSE, so it contains the study material for CBSE students. Now, so this book contains the important questions of the Diksha platform that is recommended by the NCERT board. Now, let's look at the questions. Now, the questions are well supported by facts and figures, and detailed explanations for each question is also provided. As you can see in the image, there is extra information also provided, and the concept behind each question is also clearly specified, and figures, facts are also clearly mentioned. Now, there's another good thing that there's a chart inside that contains the questions not to be attempted according to the reduced syllabus of the batch 2021. So it will be a lot helpful for the people studying with respect to the reduced syllabus. So for the overall format and the question levels, I would give it a 4 on 5. The only point is that it doesn't contains much HOT or high order thinking skill questions which are often asked in the 10th board examinations. So that is one of the bad thing. Now let's look at a few cons. Now there are several mistakes in the book which can create a problem. So whenever one is studying from the book, he has to be very careful about the explanation parts and verifying the final question answers and explanations whenever you feel confused, it is advised. Now have a look upon the few mistakes I took out as examples. Now here it is given. Look at the first question, that nitrogen is treated with hydrogen gas in the presence of a catalyst at 773 K to form ammonia gas. Now, as we all know, the formula of ammonia is NH3, while this book says that the formula of ammonia is NH2. And this can lead a problem to a few students who completely rely upon this book. So this was, let's look at another mistake that I noticed in the book. Now, here it is given that the resistance, the heat produced is inversely proportional to the resistance. Now, the students who had already studied the chapter electricity, we already know that the resistance, it is directly proportional to the heat. And according to Google, as you can see on the screen, that it is clearly mentioned that heat is directly proportional to the resistance. So as you can see, in this example, there are several mistakes in this book. So please be careful if you are studying from this book. Now, the final conclusion. You may buy this book if you want a pretty good question bank which is mostly based upon NCERT, but it also contains a few extra questions. The only thing is that you must be aware of is not to totally rely upon the book as it has several errors. Always try to cross-examine the theory part. And there's a tip that please master your NCERT book before going through this one. Thank you for watching this video.